Hey, up again. Review time today. Being in the motorcycle game, always coming across very flat batteries, struggling to get one started, so I thought I'd treat myself. Off Amazon, they were doing a deal at the time, 89 quid I think it was, reduced down from 119 down to 89 quid. Treated myself to quite a good one. This was the 4000 amp. It's supposed to do diesel engines up to 10 litres, kind of jump start them. You can always also use it just as a normal battery backup pack. I'm going to open it in a minute. I'll do a little video of me opening it to show you what you get inside it. But this bike that I've got on the ramp, the battery is totally flat. I'll show you in a minute. It's not even bringing a light up, so I'm going to see if it'll actually jump start that. From it's got a battery on there, but the battery's totally dead. Whether it's going to be man enough to do it, hopefully it will be, because I've got loads of other bikes as well that the batteries, when they come in, the batteries might be flat, or before we take them off and get them charged up. Review time. Okay, so as I said before, I've treated myself to this Gooloo GP4000 Jump Starter kit for the motorbikes. If you can see some of the tech on there, some of the spec. Comes in quite a nice box. I have opened this up actually last night. I gave it a full charge. It says but I put it all back away nice and neat as it came, just to show you what you kind of get. Open up the box. Comes in quite a nice hard case with a Gooloo logo on. Quite a nice sturdy case there with a zip to get in. And this is what you get. All the usual manual. There's the exciting piece there, covered. It says caution, fully charged before use. I did put it on last night, as I say, and gave it a good charging all the way through the night. But also what you get with it: cigarette lighter adapter, plugs in. The charger cable to charge it up. It's just a normal Type C, USB at one end. The bits that I'm going to be using, crocodile clips for the jump starter. The only thing I am worried about is with the motorbike batteries, because the terminals are quite tight, especially if I'm leaving them on the bike, whether I'll be able to get in. It's quite broad, the head on these, but yeah, I've got quite nice teeth, and you need a good squeeze to get them going. So this end plugs into there like that. Get it on the bike. Let's see if it works. Okay, as I say, this is an XS1100 that's just come in. The battery, you see it there. There's one of the terminals. The other one's down there somewhere. But it's absolutely showing nothing at all. I can show you as well. Let's just have a. Trying to do this one-handed, by the way, because let's see if we can get a reading of the battery for you, just because we can prove. Whoa, okay, well I've got the terminals the wrong way around, but this battery is tated, by the way. I mean, I've got a new one on order, it's on the way, but I'm just interested to see if my new toy will actually jump a bike from. So I mean, the battery's tated, it's showing less than 1 volt. So it's going to be quite interesting this, to see if the jump starter will bring it back to life. Let's see how we go. So here it is, the Gooloo GP4000 Jump Starter, Titan series. It says there, super safe car jump starter. Just to show you that I've got it all fully charged up. If you press that button, up it goes. There we go. So we've got a full charge in there. What I need to do, there's a little tab on the side that you open up. I've got the crocodile jump leads, goes into this connector here. If you can see that, there's a boost button on the top, so I have to plug that in, connect it up to the bike, and then hit that boost button, and we'll see how we go. Okay, so I've got it all linked up then. Posi to posi, negative to neg. There's a green light flashing there. It says I have to press the boost button. The green light's gone solid. We've got lights. Okay. That is absolutely unbelievable. Very impressive. Wow, got me a new toy.